Hi, Mia. Always remember, I'm so proud of you. Education is the second best friend of yours, okay? But the first, of course, are your parents. So, happy birthday! I'm looking forward makikita kita sa Facebook or Instagram or sa picture ng Philippine Military Academy na nandun ka, okay? Remember that. Huwag munang isipin ang mag-aasawa. Okay? Hayaan mo muna yung boyfriend. Make him an inspiration for now. Okay? So, I hope and pray your dreams come true. At your inspiration, number one inspiration should be and must be your mom, your parents. Okay? So, God bless you, Mia. And how many days more to go? You'll be graduated, and congratulations in advance. Happy 18th birthday, mabuhay! Okay, so say hi to all of your classmates. I'm so sorry, I just disappeared from your eyes, and it hurts me, but I have to do it for my peace of mind and heart. So, mabuhay kayong lahat. I love you all, and I hope and pray all of your success in life. And remember, don't forget God. Okay? Magbago ang lahat ng bagay sa mundong ito, pero isa lang ang hindi nagbabago, si Jesus. Okay? Tatalikuran tayo ng mga tao, pero isa lang ang hindi tumatalikod sa atin, ang Lord. Okay? So, I love you. Happy 18th birthday. Bye-bye!
Happy 18th birthday, Bam. Alam mo ba, sabi ng mama mo, ako daw yung pinaglihan niya habang pinagbubuntis ka niya. Kasi every time na may pagkain siya, lagi niya sa akin binibigay. Tapos lagi niya akong hinahanap. Buti na lang hindi mo nakuha yung diamond kong legs. Kidding side, pero sana maging successful ka sa life mo. Then sana gumaling ka pa sa volleyball. And enjoy your day and God bless.
Happy 18th birthday, Bam Bam. Wish ko matupad ang wish mo.
Hello, Ate Babam. Happy 18th birthday. So, wish ni Tita Loksa na tapos mo yung pag-aaral mo, and then good health, and then matupad mo lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay mo, i-push mo lang. And then thank you sa pag-aalagay din ko sa lahat ng pasensyang ginabigay kay DK, mag-tutor kay DK, and yun lang. Sana matupad yung wish mong magkamotor, brum brum, inshallah. Bye bye.
Bam, happy 18th birthday mo. Dibo mo, di ba? Happy birthday. Ang ano lang ng papa, ang pangarap, makatapos ko ng pag-aaral ng may magandang kinabukasan. Pagbuti mo pag-aaral mo. Ano pa ba? Yung pangarap mo na motor, bibilhan ka doon ni Mama mo Edna. Happy birthday. Gigising ko lang, tinawagan ako ni Tita Muenchik. Sige, happy birthday ulit. Yung mga pangarap mo, sana matupad mo. At saka, magpakabait ka, huwag matikas ang ulo. Happy birthday ulit, ha? Happy birthday, Bam Bam. Bye-bye.
Bam Bam, happy birthday. Balita ko may bago ang motor, ha. Sana all. Ingat sa pagdadrive at mag-aral mabuti. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day, Bam Bam. Lala moves.
Bam, happy 18th birthday. Ingat ka lagi dyan. Lagaan mo rin si DK tsaka sila mama. Bye-bye.
Hi, Bam! Happy 18th birthday. I wish you all the best. Alam mo naman yun. Proud ako. proud si tita na magaganda ang grades nyo ni Ate Yoki nyo. And alam ko naman na masipag kayo at masipag ka mag-aral. At sana mas pagbutihin mo pa yung pag-aaral mo kasi para sa'yo yan, ikaw ang magdadala niyan. Nakawin man ang lahat-lahat sa'yo pero yan hindi naman nanakaw sa'yo. Yung diploma at kaalamanan mo sa buhay. Sana i-enjoy mo ang gabing ito, tong araw na to. Alam ko naman masaya ka dahil nandiyan yung mga special na tao sa buhay mo, nandiyan yung family mo, nandiyan yung mga kaibigan mo. Yan. At higit sa lahat, maraming pagkain. Sana nagustuhan mo yung maliit na regalo ni tita sa'yo, ha? Ikaw na bahala dyan. Lagi makinig kay mama, ha? Malaki ka na. Alam mo ng tama at mali. Bye-bye. Love you. See you soon.
Hi Bam, happy 18th birthday to the person who have seen multiple versions of me and never left me behind. Thank you for being the most amazing friend I could ask for. Thank you for being my soul sister kahit sinasabihan nila tayong magkamukha daw tayong dalawa since elementary. Thank you for listening to my chicas and random rant. I'm proud of the person you become and who you're becoming. No words can tell how lucky and grateful I am to you. I will always be here by your side and whatever happens, you'll always have me. I'm sorry for all the things na ginawa ko sa'yo. Yung mga promises and dreams na hindi natin natupad magkasama. But I'll make sure na I will do everything para makasama ka and matupad natin yung dreams natin and future natin dalawa magkasama. Sorry din, hindi ako makapunta ngayong 18th birthday mo. Babawi ako. And thanks for everything, Bam. I love you and I miss you. Here's to another year of our beautiful friendship. Again, happy 18th birthday, my beautiful and 9 years bestie. Thanks for everything.
Redefine, you're one of a kind, but you mash up my mind. You have to get declined, oh Lord.